What's really good, fam? It is your boy, David, brand new, back with another video for you, And today, I just wanted to give a quick update on the turtleneck stem, guys. A lot of you guys had some questions on the stem, so I just wanted to show you guys a closer look at it and clear any questions that you might have. If you guys have any more questions after this video, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try to answer them. I also have an FAQ on my website, so check that out as well if you guys have any other questions. This is the turtleneck stem. What this is a adapter, if you will, and it allows you to quickly remove your handlebars. The beauty of it is that you can use practically any stem with this, and you can use any handlebar. I like to use BMX bars. I've seen some people put some ape hangers on there. You can even use mountain bike handlebars. Whatever you want to use, get creative, but just wanted to show it off to you guys. Here's a close-up look. So how it works is it has this quick release latch right here, and all you need to do is just undo it. Once you do that, your handlebars can freely be removed from the stem. All right, now I know what you're thinking. That's not secure at all. But it actually is. So when you close this latch, it closes in on that adapter, right? And it's very tight. Trust me. You won't feel any wobble in your handlebars whatsoever. It's also adjustable, so if you wanted to make it tighter, you can do that as well. The cool thing about having a quick release stem versus a folding stem is that when you remove the handlebars, you can literally put them wherever you want. Quick update on the stems. If you guys ordered a stem within the past week, I will be sending those out by next week. So I also was able to add Canada, the UK, and Australia back. I actually found a solution that is way cheaper. So if you guys are interested and you live in one of those countries, I'll leave the link down below. If you guys are within the United States, it's actually free shipping for you. So yeah, enjoy that. So the reason why I came up with this, if you guys are new to the channel, is because I like to switch the handlebars out for BMX bars instead of the long giraffe stem. I just think it looks way cooler, right? But the problem that we faced was we lost the capability of folding down your bars. You know, that's the beauty of having a folding e-bike, is that it can fold up really small and you can fit it in pretty much any car. That's the reason why I came up with the turtleneck stem. I first had the idea of coming up with a folding stem, but I found that this quick release stem is just way more secure. If you guys follow some of the Facebook groups, you guys know that those long folding stems don't work well. Like, they're super awkward to handle and sometimes they can come undone. So I just wanted to get rid of a folding stem and go quick release. This one's fully secure. I've taken it off of jumps, but I don't recommend it. That was all I wanted to tell you guys about the stem. They're shipping out next week. Be patient. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video. And until the next one, deuces. Like that. What's really good, fam? It is your boy, David, brand new, back with another video for you, And today we got another banger video for you guys. All right, looks like we might be selling the bike today, guys. Now I know we just did the review on this bike, but guys, I need my money, okay? So today we might be selling this Hemingway Escape. I know I've been wanting a moped style bike for the longest, but man, you know, I like money more. Completely forgot to take off this foam mount. So unfortunately, if he wants the bike, he's gonna get a free foam mount with this joint. I'll see if I can talk him out of it. Let's see. The guy's supposed to be here, and of course he's not. 4Runner. He's in a silver 4Runner. Where are you located? You're not here. Let's go find this 4Runner. Where are you, 4Runner? Silver, there he is. Whoa. Okay guys, I just fell. Sorry, I was looking for you down there. I thought you were down there. You don't want to ride it first? Or are you gonna kind of want to see if it fits in your car first?
Let me go around.
Okay, just be careful. You saw how I
know.
almost. That dude is like an old school dude, like old school Miami dude. How you like it? He is a shorter dude, by the way. He's like 5'1".
Very nice.
It's a nice bike, huh?
Yeah, it is.
It's fast too. Did you take it to the top speed? I think it's like 25 miles per hour top speed. That's a bell. You can have this.
Okay. This is the light. This is.
So yeah, it's a light. Big headlight. We have front and rear brakes. This is your throttle. I don't know if you were trying that out. This is your shifters. It has dual suspension, so you have suspension up here. You can kind of adjust it. And then the rear is really good. Seat is super comfortable.
Yes.
I like it. I do YouTube for a living, so I get these bikes all the time.
Oh.
So that's why I'm selling it for way cheaper.
Yeah.
I've been doing it for 2 years now.
Interesting.
Yeah.
There's a lot of different kind of bikes.
A lot of different kinds, man. So much fun though.
Yeah.
I'm gonna wheel it over there first and then we'll... Perfect fit. What did we agree on? Price?
Yeah?
What price did we agree?
400.
Okay, let's do it. What's up, guys? In here with my boy Felix. He just bought the Hemingway Escape and he really likes it, guys. Gave him a really good deal, by the way. He needs to take me back to the house because I can't walk. It's just too hot today. Felix, don't tell anybody where I live, okay? Because I'm kind of famous. For real. What can we get Felix for free? We gotta get Felix something for free. Is he really gonna ride the bike? Does he really like it like that? I could give him the hat, but I've been wearing it and it's freaking sweaty as hell. Not a long folding stem. Does he want a bag? I don't even think he can use the bag. Does that bike have the front mounts? If it does, I'm gonna give it to him. Would you be interested in a front rack? A rack?
No.
It mounts right here. It's for free. I'll give it to you for free, but it mounts right here.
For free, yeah.
Yeah? Look, guys, the bike actually has the mounts for the rack. Yeah, finally get to give away this freaking rack. Felix was like, no, I don't want the rack if you're gonna be charging me more. No, it's free, Felix. It just mounts right on the front.
Okay.
Yeah?
Thank you so much.
All right, Felix.
I appreciate it, man.
See ya.
Good deal.
All right, man. Have fun. Get a helmet too. Buy a helmet.
Yeah.
All right. Bye.